Step into the captivating world of China's history with Zhu Yuanzhang, a remarkable figure who transformed from humble beginnings to the founding emperor of the Ming Dynasty. His life story is an inspiring journey of determination, resilience, and leadership. Zhu Yuanzhang is a pivotal figure in history for overthrowing the Mongol-led Yuan Dynasty and restoring Han Chinese rule in China. His reign marked the beginning of a prosperous era and significantly shaped Chinese society, culture, and governance. Born to a poor peasant family in 1328, Zhu faced numerous hardships, including the loss of his parents during a devastating famine. Despite this, he joined the Red Turban Rebellion, an anti-Yuan movement, and gradually rose to prominence due to his strategic acumen and leadership skills. In 1368, Zhu proclaimed himself the Hongwu Emperor, establishing the Ming Dynasty and embarking on reforms to centralize power, revitalize agriculture, and implement Confucian state ideology. His administration rebuilt the Great Wall to defend against invasions and emphasized Chinese traditions, arts, and education, contributing to a vibrant cultural renaissance. For those intrigued by Zhu Yuanzhang's extraordinary life and his profound impact on Chinese history, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations of historical figures.